If you want to remove objects from photos on POCO M8 5G, what you can do is you can go to the gallery, then we can open the photo in which we want to remove something. So let's say I'm gonna use this photo as an example, then we can use this pen at the bottom of the screen. Go ahead and choose create, and then we have the erase option. If you tap on it for the first time, you will have to download it, but it shouldn't take too long. We have a couple of different options to choose from, but we can, for example, stick with the remove objects option, and then we can either just keep drawing over the area that we want to get rid of, or instead you can draw a shape around it. So for example, something like this, there we go, and hopefully the whole thing will be selected. Once everything is selected that you want to try to remove, we can press start in here, and there we go, it is gone. In some cases you might be left with some shadows or some other stuff, some leftovers, as you can see over here. So we can try to select that area as well, and hopefully we can actually get rid of that as well. We have, of course, sometimes we get some worse results, sometimes we get better results, but you can, for example, try to keep going in order to try to get the best result possible. And of course, once you are done with your removal, with editing, we can tap on this check in the bottom right corner and then save our photo. Subscribe to my channel.